For this video, Gadoo sent over their 304 stainless steel frying pot. Now this 2-liter frying pot is the perfect size. It's not too big like some of those countertop ones where you're gonna have to fill it up with a ton of oil. This, like I said, is 2 liters, so you're gonna fill it up about halfway with oil. I love to put in ghee or beef tallow or even my bacon grease. And what's really cool, it does come with this strainer that you can put on top. So when you are making bacon, you can take off the lid, put the strainer right on, pour your bacon grease right in there, get all those little bits up, and you're gonna have nice clean bacon grease right in the bottom of your pan. Now last night at dinner time, I made some spring rolls with this and they turned out perfect. They had that rich buttery flavor of ghee and they just tasted so delicious. Now this frying pot works perfect whether you have an electric stove or gas stove. You're gonna wanna set it right on top, heat up that oil. You're gonna take your strainer, I threw my spring rolls right into here, and then once that oil was nice and hot, I put it right into the pot, cooked those spring rolls up for about 4 minutes, took them out when they were nice and golden browned, and these things were just absolutely delicious. You could taste the flavor of the oil, that nice buttery ghee flavor. They were just absolutely phenomenal. So overall, this deep frying pot is perfect for your kitchen, whether you're deep frying some chicken or some side dishes, or you're looking for a place to store your bacon grease or other type of greases that you can just strain and put right into here. It's perfect for that as well. So if you're looking for a really nice deep fryer, this one right here by Gadoo is a perfect choice. Thanks for watching.